Cedar Rapids Wheelies here. Today I got my Stunterx frame. I've been waiting a while for it. I just can't wait to open it. Sorry for the shaky camera footage. I'm using my phone. We're going to see what's in here. And we got another box. I've been waiting a while for it. Just trying to get my bike done. They wrap it nice. The guys at Stunterx are great to work with. They did it exactly how I wanted. And they powder coat everything the color you want. So here's the parts I got. I got the full frame. Then we got the new cage, new round bar with titanium plate, new subframe, new sub cage. So pretty much I'm all set. I'm ready to put this back together. That's the old frame right there. Had a pretty good crack in it right there, and I didn't feel like riding with it, so I went all out and got everything new. So stay tuned for the bike build. This is just part one. You guys have a good one. Thanks. Like and subscribe.